Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the 9th class Democratic Politics, our lesson which is going on what democracy and why democracy, and today our topic where we will see the definition of the democracy which has been prescribed in the lesson, and we will also analyze that if the democratic principle are missing in the democratic country and they are just pretending that they are running the best democracy in the world. So these features which are missing in the democratic country, they just tell us the things if they are not very carefully are not running in the country, then the country which is pretending that they are have a democracy means they are not having any symptom of the democracy. They are just confusing the people. So we will see today the we will take the example in the Zimbabwe, and in the country which got the freedom 1980, and from the white minorities groups they got their freedom. And very important features which has been seen that the party that was JANU PF party, this was the party which was led by the very famous president of the history, Robert Mugabe, and this party also gave some contribution in the freedom struggle like the Congress party. Means this party led the country toward the nationalism. It means this country also developed the sense of nationalism among the people. That's why it got the importance in the history also. But rule from 1980 that the things has been cannot be undermined, because if any party from the beginning, if it is continuing ruling in the country, it means something which is missing and something which is undermining the democracy. So that is very important things. The party which can be very ideal party, which can be very unique party, but any party cannot be the ideal party. Ideal means the party have not the 100% features of the democracy. Any party in the world we can claim also, because the party which are made by the people, and people have a mixed thoughts, and mixed thought cannot make the party very ideal. If the party is not very ideal, how the party can make the country a ideal country? So elections which are held regularly in the country, but only the one party winning the election alone. This was also the very important thing which is missing in the democracy, because a country which have the elections regularly, and if the elections which are regularly continuing in the country, and if the elections which are undermining the principle of democracy, then it is a very dangerous things, because these elections they are just making the fool to the people that they are having the kind of principle of the democracy over the name of elections, and they are just confusing the people over the elections. Means they want to show, they want to pretend that they are just having the democracy, but actually they do not bear the democracy in the government. That is very important things. So President Mugabe was the popular person. Means a popular person cannot be the all times good person. Means a popular person, whatever he was very popular, he is very popular, but any popular person cannot have the guarantee that he can be popular all the times. Means a popular person can be unfair, means can be used the unfair, means can be autocratic, means he can remove the democracy. So he amended the constitution. Many times. Why? To increase his power and make less accountable. Means he wanted all the rights in his hand only, and he did not want that he have to be very responsible for the public. Means he wanted to bring the kind of strict laws in the country which can stop the mouth of public, which can stop the action of public, which can stop the media of the country, which can stop the opposition party, which can stop the protestation, which can stop the struggle. If all the things which are stopped in the democracy, then obviously there is not a democracy, because the protestation, the struggle, the movement are the part of organized politics, and they cannot be, will say, absent, they cannot be missed in the democracy. They are the part of a democratic country. So all the things was stopped by the Robert Mugabe, like the protestation by the people, by the opposition parties, by the pressure groups, by the movement groups, and opposition party, they have no any voice against the government, means they cannot raise any action against the wrong policies of the government. Media person means the kind of will say agencies which have the responsibility to bring the, will say, actuality in front of the public, whatever the government is there in the country. So the media, the press, the newspapers, the TV channels, their voice was totally blocked, means they could not carry the news of the government in front of the public, means there was the strong censorship was imposed on the press. And judiciary system also affected by the president, because he also affected the judges of the Supreme Court or the courts, and they just brought the decision in favor of the president. It means a country where all the organs of the government are missing, or they are not working well, means we have seen the legislature. Number one, legislature. Second thing, executive. Third, judiciary. And fourth, media. These are the four pillar of the democracy, and all the pillars they were not in the very active forms. All the pillars of the democracy, they were just sacrificing in the country. So what we have seen, popular government can be autocratic. Very important things. There is not a guarantee that popular government can be the all-time the good famed government for the people. It can be the autocratic. Autocratic means they can take all the decision in their hand only. They cannot brought the decision from the public, means all the power they can capture in their hand only. Second, election must be seen all the times, means elections where all the shortcuts were used by the president, and elections are the kind of sieving process where the democracy can be very will say can we work in a very properly, because elections are the kind of procedure which bring the unique democracy in the country, and which can also regenerate the democracy all the time, because they just come in the, they appear in the country in a very temporary times, in a very regular movement also, not a temporary times. Each 5 years the election can be held. So each 5 years there is a type of chance to the government to prove themselves, and there is a chance to the opposition party to regenerate themselves over the mistake of government. So democratic government cannot whatever it like, means it cannot be the autocratic, it cannot be the omnipresent, it cannot be the wholesome government, means all the decision can be taken by the democratic government but behalf of the public. Shows respect, decision go through series of consultation, and it have to show the respect to the public, and it have to go through the proper, you will say, channel of the government. Decision go through the series of consultation. That is very important things. It means I'm talking about the legislation. legislature, if it is not very working well, then there is obviously the unpracticed democracy, the you will say the weak democracy is there. So obviously the consultation must be the kind of way to bring the decision in favor of the public only, because if the long discussion are there, if the long consultation are there, then obviously the public are benefited. You can better understand the you will say short consultation and long consultation have a differences, because short consultation affect the very few people and long consultation affect the large people of the country. And we have seen the activities of the parliament, because parliament where the laws are made in a series, laws are made in the kind of way where the central government, state government and all the people are very actively participated. So work under the constitutional provision means amendment is not the kind of will say part of the government. Amendment are the part of constitution where the government is only the means to bring the will say provisions in favor of the public only. If the provisions are not made in favor of the public, then then the constitution must be amended so many times. Wrong or the weak provision should be out from the constitution and strong provision must be in the constitution. That is the very important things. So obviously all the things if they are missing in the democracy, in a democratic government, then it is not a pure democracy. What could be the symptom of pure democratic government? A democratic government rule within limit. Within limit means they have to do under the work of the constitutions, means their hand are not very free, they are totally controlled by the constitution, set by the constitutional law and citizen right. Means they have to do all the work in favor of the public, and they have to just within the laws, just within the kind of way where they can nullified. Means they cannot be very free. If the ruler are free and they have not the sense of responsibility, then this is not a true government. So student, hope you are understanding well all these lectures, and it will also make your understanding. So student, if you like this video, you can subscribe it, like it and share it. Thank you to listen it and watching it.